This is the unboxing of MSI DS501 gaming headset. Welcome to the unboxing and review of the MSI DS501 gaming headset. This is an entry-level gaming headset by MSI for those of you who are looking to get a decent headset for a budget price. And the headset has a lot of features that is very well balanced and very good for the price range it is offered. At the moment you can get this headset for like 6,500 Sri Lankan rupees. And before going into further details, let's see what we have in the package. Okay, so these are the things that comes in the MSI DS501 package. We have the DS501 MSI gaming headset plus the user guide for the DS501. User guide has the basic information like the mic and where are the controls for the mic and the audio. So these are basic things which are self-explanatory. So I'm going to leave that aside and then focus on the gaming headset, the quality and everything that it offers for the price range. And I have been using this for like a week, and based on that experience I'll be explaining what are the plus points and what are the concerns I had using this headset for my video editing work plus gaming. So let's get into it. The headset itself has a very good build quality, durable design of course, and then again the plastic used and the frame is very lightweight and it bends very easily. So that is a plus point of the headset, which in the sense it's very agile and you can like leave it any way you wish to and it'll still last long. And then again let's get into the cord. This is a rubber plastic mixed cord, it is not a braided one, plus it has a length of like 5 feet, and of course it ends with two 3.5mm jacks, a mic and an audio jack. And then again you don't have a convert or else an adapter included in the package. Then let's move into the inline controls. This is a plus point. The inline controls are like 1.5 feet away from the headset itself, and because the size is big, you can like without looking at the controls you can reach out to them and then get to the controls very easily. And then again the volume control, you have a very big range to adjust your audio from. So that is a very plus point, plus you have the mic on off switch. Speaking of the sound quality, this headset offers very good sounds for its price range. I have been using this for my editing work. You can like hear all of the ranges from 20 Hz into 20 kilohertz, and that is the range given on the box. But then again when you are editing or else when you are gaming, you hear all the range. The sounds are pretty clear and decent. The lightweight, the frame and everything is great. Plus when you wear the headset, the rest really offers you an extra level of comfort, offering you a very tight grip. The earmuffs are a bit tough in this regard, so if you are going to wear this for a prolonged period of time like 3 or 4 hours, then you will kind of start to feel the tough or else the rubberized feel. Earmuffs are soft, but then again the used rubber or else the material is not so soft that it makes sometimes the experience a bit harder on your ears when you wear it for a long time. The microphone is tucked up when you're not using it, and then you can easily get it out to the normal position and then again adjust it as you want it. And this is the audio quality of the inline microphone. What you are hearing now is the recorded voice from the microphone of the DS501 gaming headset from MSI. So basically the mic picks up the voice very loud and clear, and you can use the headset's mic
for online gaming plus online chatting and stuff like that.
Given the price point, the features, the build quality and the lightweight and the audio levels plus the quality of the mic, the MSI DS501 is a very good and very well balanced product if you are a gamer, or else if you are looking for an entry-level product that has very good audio quality. This is the headset for you. If you found this review to be useful or else helpful in any way, kindly leave your comments in the comment section below, because that would really help me to know what you think about this review, as this is my first review done in English for my channel. I normally do all my reviews, my unboxings, my tech tips in Sinhala for Sri Lankans, but I thought kind of why not do a review or else an unboxing in English and see what kind of audience I get and what kind of feedback I get from you, because that will help me decide whether I'm going to do reviews in English in the future. And then again, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Let's meet in another unboxing video.